Today in this shoemaking tutorial, I will show you how you can upgrade your leather to use it for your footwear. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Sometimes it's very difficult to find good leather for your footwear, and the only option that you have is to work with the leather that you can find. But you don't like this leather, it has bad quality, you don't like the color, or it has many scratches. So in this shoemaking tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the color of your leather for your footwear by creating interesting pattern design on the surface of your upper. What you need to do is to cut the exact pattern of your footwear. This is, for example, the front element that I will have in my footwear. So cut it, prepare the color. I use the color based on alcohol, and I will use now the black color. Also, you will need to have a candle because we will create an interesting pattern on the surface working with candle, lighter, some resin gloves to protect your hands, and place something under the leather to protect your table. So what we need, and also you need to have some kind of sponge to apply the color. So place gloves, and now we will create a pattern with candle wax. So we will use a drops of this wax candle. Just apply it in the places where you want, and you will have this small rounded spots from candle wax that will keep the color of this leather. And on top of this, we will apply another color, the black one. Here on the bottom edge, you actually don't need to place the wax because here we have elastic allowance. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's make another one here. Okay, that's it. Wait until it will dry. And now let's color it with black color. Use another color if you want, but I use black because it's very easy to find this color. Now we will apply this color on the top side of this leather. Place one layer of color, wait until it will dry, and then apply another layer. Let's apply another layer. And wait until this color will dry. After the leather will dry, you can clean all your wax, candle wax spots, and you see I already cleaned here. Just clean it like this, scratch it a little bit. Be very careful. And you will have the original color on your upper. And just continue to clean the entire piece from the candle wax. This is the result that I got after I cleaned the entire upper from the candle wax spots. Do the same thing for the second half of your upper, and of course they will be a little bit different, but this is the beauty of this approach. And after I will sew it and last it, you will see approximately how it will look. Now I will show you that it looks very pretty on the last. Okay, so this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out.